Hey guys, welcome back to the Challenge Shack. So today, I'm going to be eating something that I hate more than spicy foods. I'm going to be eating pickles. I hate pickles more than anything. And I know that so many people love them. And I know that so many people, I even know some people that like to drink the juice. I don't understand. I think it's so gross, but I was challenged to eat pickles, and no, not just one type of pickle. I have to eat 3 different kinds of pickles. So I have pickle chips, stackers, and mini pickles. So let's open the pickle chips. Oh my god, it smells so gross. There is nothing in the world that I hate more than pickles. And she says that I have to eat the whole thing. It's so slimy and gross. I also have some water to help keep it down. That's another thing. I know that I spit out the dog biscuit. I spit out the Carolina Reaper. I'm going to try hard not to spit things out anymore. It's small. I can do this all at one time. Oh my god, I hate pickles. Well, I didn't spit it out. I threw it up. So, I swallowed it. That counts. Here's the stackers. Oh, come on, this is so big. She wanted me to do a pickle spear, so I'm going to turn it into one. I only need this. And I don't care what she says, this counts. Because she said pickle spears, and this is the size of a pickle spear. I think I'm going to puke up all of these. I just can't keep them down. And the water's not helping. Ugh. This is going to be the worst. This is like a whole pickle. I mean, it's a small pickle, but it's a whole pickle. Ew, it's so gross. So these are made out of cucumbers, right? Where do you get a cucumber this small? It just tastes like vinegar, and I hate the taste of vinegar. I'm gonna try to finish this one. I gotta keep one down. Okay. It's staying down. Little pieces that I'm spitting out don't count. That's it. I ordered some mixed bugs. They should be here pretty soon. Look forward to that. Bye.